Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I created this look right here. As you can see, it's kind of like glitter gold, I don't know, and my hair's a mess, you know, just like my room. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. It's pretty quick and all that, and yeah, I don't know, is the hair like a look? Like, I don't know how I feel about it. Like, I don't know, my hair is just kind of like, hey. Anyways, on to the video. Wow, I thought I'd look cute with this hair, but nope. Hi guys! Oh, I don't even know why I said that, like, Anyways, as you can see, my face is set and, oh, hello, what are you doing? Hair malfunction. As you can see, everything has been primed. Anyways, I'm just going in to do my eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Jaclyn Hill palette. As you can see, my princess self has all this. Wait. Oh wait, it doesn't. Oh yeah, it does. Yes. So for today's eye look is going to be a mystery because I don't know what we're gonna do. Okay. So I went ahead and already primed my eyelids, so I'm really not trying to crease it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my flat brush from what's it called, Sephora, and go in with this shade Faint and go ahead and just set it in. So it's just like a neutral light brown skin tone. I don't know. It's just called Faint. Ooh, I kind of want to do some glitter. Should we do glitter? Oh, I don't know. I love glitter. We're gonna go ahead and dip into, I don't know. Let's go ahead and use this one. Queen or Creamsicle. Wait a second. It's like backwards. It is backwards. What the heck? Look, like what the heck? Okay, so I lied. I used silk cream. That is bizarre. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use Creamsicle, which Creamsicle is like right here, but it's right there. What? Go ahead and use Creamsicle. I've beat into Creamsicle a lot of times. So let's just go ahead and use that in the crease. I'm gonna just wipe it in there. Ow. Yep, that looks about right. Let's see, what shade should we go into next? Let's go into, let's go to this one right here. So hold on. It's 1, 2, 3, second row. 1, 2, 3, Hunts. So this one is called Hunts. We're going to go into Hunts. We're just going to like tap into it. And I'm just going to go ahead and put it on the outer corner. Just tap it in there. And I'm just going to kind of like make like a little V. And swipe it out. I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and use that blending brush and just kind of like blend it more into the crease. And just swipe it out as well. We're gonna go in with this color right here. So Roxanne. Oh snap. Okay, so this one's Roxanne right here. And I'm gonna just go ahead and deepen it up. I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade right here. which is this third shade. Wait, what? Jacz? Yeah, I think it's called Jacz. So I'm going in and using my Hard Candy Full Coverage Concealer just to cut out this crease here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use this shade right here, which is called Meeks. I'll go ahead and just pack this on with this eyeshadow brush, I guess, from Wet n Wild. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Nani Glitter in 14. Going in with the e.l.f. Stardust glitter eyeliner. Won't you stay to the end? All my favorite conversations always made in the end. Yeah, yeah. Feels like this could be forever tonight. So I told myself I was not going to put eyeliner on, but I got eyeliner on now, so now we're just going to go ahead and do the underlash. I am going to go ahead and dip into this one right here, and it's called Pooter, I guess. Using my smudge brush. I'm going in using the Ravishing Rose in e.l.f. Just kind of skip the lip liner, just go in. I'll go in and use my Glow Sun Dip Kit. And I'm going to just dip into the shade Moonstone and Bronze. So. Let's go ahead and add that down to nose real quick. Here's the completed look with messy hair. Won't you stay to the end? All my favorite conversations always made in the end. Thanks for watching this video, and if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And yeah. Alright, well.